19-hectare University of the East here in Santa Rosa had its groundbreaking last October 15. SM Neo Verde is expected to open in 2026. The Greenbelt of the South or Soledad 4 is also expected to open in 2026. This is why 2025 might be your last chance before the prices surge. So sit back, relax, and invest before the boom. Typically, there is a 15 to 20% market value appreciation when a major development, just like these two big malls, SM Neo Verde and Greenbelt of the South, Ayala Malls, Soledad 4. So isipin nyo, kaya maraming nag-i-invest this 2025, meron pa po tayong 2 months before the year ends because this is really buyer's market right now. When I say buyer's market, lahat po ng advantages na pupunta po sa buyer ngayon. Imagine having a very long down payment term, 0% interest from 3 to 4 years, yung property price na about 5 million, 10 million, 15 million, actually, hindi nyo naman po yan babayaran one time. Ilalock in nyo lang yung presyo, pero ang babayaran nyo lang talaga monthly for as low as 17,000 pesos per month or around $300 po. So just an example, time value of money. Imagine, malalock in nyo na yung present price ngayon. Pero imagine nyo po, after 3 to 4 years, maliit na lang po yung value nun. So you have all the advantages, long down payment term, malalock in nyo yung presyo. Pag nakita nyo yung presyo ng binili nyo after 3 to 4 years, magpapasalamat kayo, papasalamatan nyo yung sarili nyo na nakapag-lock in kayo at nakapag-reserve kayo this year. So this is really buyer's market. Meron pa po tayong chance humabol ngayong taon. Kaya aside from the major development updates for this video, kailan mag-o-open, ano po yung bago dito sa area, we will also be having property recommendation kung ano yung hot ngayon, may it be for rental or for end use. Ang bilis ng panahon, really, University Belt of the South is really happening right now at ang kailangan natin bantayan, yung opening ng 2 major malls. Just imagine, SM and Ayala, nagpapagalingan sila ngayon, no? Sila yung nag-uunahan magbukas, and kapag nagbukas yan, imagine yung mga current investments nyo dito or kung makakapag-invest tayo dito sa area. Ang daming tinatag dito sa area, New Alabang, New BGC of the South, dahil nga dinedeliver not just one developer but all of the developers ang major players dito sa area. So itong SM Neo Verde, just a quick review, dahil is slated to open sa last quarter of next year, so marami pa naman po tayong time. It will not just be about like the next SM Premier, just like SM Aura. Technically, itong nangyayari sa area ni SM Neo Verde, magkakaroon din ito ng BPO tower. So as you can see on our rendering, kaya merong malaki na glass tower dyan. Ito ay magiging BPO tower. Not just that, imagine magkakaroon tayo ng SMX Trade Hall or SMX Convention Center na nasa Mall of Asia ngayon. We will also be having Park Inn International Hotel, and who knows kung ano pang pwedeng i-extend or magkarong expansion ng SM Group dyan, dahil sila din naman po yung nagmamanage ng IKEA dito sa Philippines, and of course, as we all know, sa kanila din yung National University. Now, let's go here sa Soledad 4, which is pegged to be the Greenbelt of the South, catering also the affluent market and bringing mga designer outlets. So, kitang-kita nyo yung bridge, para talagang Greenbelt but more of indoors, and Talagang magiging greenbelt to dahil maraming open spaces dito, and at the same time, meron na pong elevated parking. So nakita niyo yung progress, no? I think last month or 2 months ago, nakapagbigay tayo ng 2025 September development updates, but you can compare kung gaano nakalaki yung natapos or yung percentage completion ng mall na ito. And it's not just the malls and schools, no? Yung mga developments dito, Cavite Laguna Expressway, South Luzon Expressway connecting to Skyways continues to improve their routes and accessibility para mas madali tayong makapunta sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Makati, and BGC. At pumapasok na rin po talaga yung luxury market dito sa area. Aside from Nuvali, mixed use ito. Aside from Greenfield City on where we are right now, Rockwell South is here. And this one, itong nakikita nyo po sa likod natin, this is the Museum for Architecture and Residences. Para po siyang architecture gallery sa baba, and then nakipag-partner po sila sa Japanese architectural firm to bring luxury condominium units with its own onsen. Meron na tayong schools. Meron na tayong ultra-luxury residential property. Meron na po tayong accessibility because of Calax, SLEX, and Skyway. Of course, commercial developments is also happening and growing here in the South. Broadfield Business District, which is the business campus of the South, we have pocket BGCs just like East Block, and of course, yung Greenfield Business District natin. Because talagang gumagawa talaga ng bagong city na integrated talaga dito sa Pilipinas. We all know, ang daming nangyayari ngayon na flooding, most especially sa Metro Manila. And ngayon ko talaga na re-realize why hindi lang isang major developer yung nandito. Mga businesses din po yung mga yan, at hindi sila mga kapital, hindi sila maglalagay ng napakalaking pera if hindi nila pinag-aralan at hindi feasible ito para maging next big thing dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang po ito basta developers ha, Ayala ito, Rockwell, SM Development na nagve-venture out na rin sa mga premium and ultra-luxury developments. We have Eton City of Lusiotan, and ngayon nyo lang po ito maririnig dito sa video ko, hindi pa po official, pero baka Mega World pumasok na rin po dito sa area. Of course, nandito na rin yung Villar Developments at napakarami pang pocket developers here sa area na pumoposisyon. So it means, in the future, make no mistake na po tayo, kapag po nagpahulipat po tayo at nagbukas ito, automatic magkakaroon ng higher demand, no? And it means higher prices in the future. So hanggat meron pa po tayong mga pre-selling buyers market, i-take na po natin yung opportunity. Nakikita ko talaga na hindi lang ito basta okay, gagawa na lang tayo ng residential property and bahala na yung mga residente sa labas. Kung makakapag-grocery ba sila, makakapag-aral ba yung mga anak nila, or magiging very good ito for retirement. This is really a lifestyle as a urban community. Imagine, single ka, magka-girlfriend or boyfriend ka, pinili mo no, na mag-invest for family building, tumira dito, bumili ka ng bahay at lupa, condo man yan, or magpatayo ka ng bahay. Yung anak mo, wala ka ng problema, napakalapit sa bahay, mag-aaral na lang, mag-e-enroll na lang sa mga big universities and sa existing Miriam College, Everest International School, Brentville International School, Xavier School, and pagka-graduate niya, hindi na rin kailangang lumabas. Nandito na rin yung mga offices natin dahil sa binubuong mga mini BGC or the next Alabang dito sa area. So, mula pagkaanak hanggang sa magbuo ulit ng pamilya yung anak mo at makapag-build ng career, nandito na po sa area na to. So, we have an idea na kung gaano kabilis yung developments dito. Ngayon, it's time para matulungan ko kayo at makapag-recommend ng mga best properties as of the moment dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. Number 1 property recommendation. Still, Zadia has the best location for an introductory property here in the area. Anong meaning ng introductory property? If wala tayo sa high segment or ultra luxury, basta makapwesto din tayo, magma-market value appreciate pa rin naman to. Actually, this is also my first investment here in the area. So, sa lahat ng mga nakapag-invest sa Tower 3, ito na po yung Tower 3 ngayon. Talagang ready na for turnover this December from lower to higher floors. Yung parking ko po dito na turnover na rin yesterday. And as you can see, makikita nyo rin po sa drone shot natin kung ano na yung progress nitong clubhouse. So, kung ano po yung reality ng development ng clubhouse, makita nyo sa rendering na pinapresent namin before, very true, no? Sa rendering, 100% walang expectation versus reality yung dinideliver ni Greenfield. So, if you are the type of person na, Jaire, gusto ko lang makapwesto dyan, investor ako, nandito yung budget range ko sa pang-introductory prices lang, I would really recommend you buying a property here in Zadia. So, we have ready for occupancy in Tower 3, and right now, nakikita nyo rin sa drone natin, simula na sa pag-build ng foundation itong Tower 4, which is the pre-selling building right now dito sa Zadia. Ito po yung common denominator property dito sa area. Why? Nakagitna siya sa University Belt of the South. Bukod sa malapit siya sa De La Salle University, and generally katabi niya lang po or kapitbahay niya lang sa University of Santo Tomas. Guys, magiging kapitbahay niya na rin yung University of the East. So kung ngayon gusto niyo lang muna tumira sa studio or one bedroom or combined units dito sa area, napakilaki po ng potential for being a dormitel sa mga students, not just your ordinary students, but University of the Belt students sa big universities dito sa area. Second, napakalapit din po nito sa Techno Park. So what do we mean by this? Yung mga renters ko for the past few months, mga expats po na nagbi-visit sa mga companies dito sa area. Yung economy ng Santa Rosa, nagsimulang mag-boom yan dahil sa mga PEDSA economic zone, just like itong Techno Park na nandyan si Toshiba, Honda, a lot of world-class electronics companies. So yung mga expats na from Korea, United States of America, Japan, nagstay po dito for about 3 to 6 months. So instead na mag-hotel sila, na ang mahal-mahal ng hotel, they are opting to rent for about 1 month to 3 months, just like ito sa Zadia. Kasi si Zadia din po yung may pinakamalapit, no, na condo dito sa Techno Park. Number 3, aside from the school, aside from the Techno Park na makukuha natin yung market, if we mean by accessibility, pinakamalapit po ito, actually magkakatabi lang po kasi dito eh. It's just like merong invisible perimeter wall yung mga developers, pero literally magkakadikit lang po sila kahit nga ito wala sa loob ng Nuvali. Ito yung may pinakamalapit sa Soledad Mall, Commercial Development of Nuvali. Katabi niya lang din yung Paseo de Santa Rosa. Napakalapit niya lang din po sa magiging SM Premier. And fourth one, if hindi nyo pa rin nakikita yung potential nitong Zadia kung bakit dito ako nag-invest sa napakaraming developers na hawak ko, accessibility. Pinakamalapit sa Eton City South Luzon Expressway at sa Cavite Laguna Expressway. You have it all, guys. So kung gaano siya kamura, let's discuss the computations. I will recommend first the pre-selling property. So if you are not the type of person na you don't have the urgency to occupy or use the unit, this one is perfect for you because it can offer you a very long down payment term and the lowest down payment for a condo like this with the perfect accessibility and location. So this is for as low as 17,900 pesos only or $308 if the currency exchange is $1 is equivalent to 58 pesos. So right now, ito ay nasa Tower 4, 8th floor, Unit 24. So meron silang promo ngayon below ng kanilang market value na binibenta before. If before nag-range to ng 5.4 million to 5.6 million, ito 5 million 1,292,251.93 for a 24.9 studio unit. So magre-reserve lang po tayo, which is equivalent also to our first down payment for about 17,950 pesos and 28 centavos or $308. So for example, nag-reserve tayo no November 1. The following month, December 1, mag-start yung first natin no na low monthly down payment for about 27 months or over 2 years with the same amount, 17,900 or $308. After 27 months, yung balance na about 4.5 million plus 266,000. So it's about mga 4.9 million. We can loan it through bank or mag-balloon payment tayo sa dulo because we are also getting the low down payment term plus we are not paying any interest, no? 0% interest. So we have the flexibility. Again, buyer's market nga, nasa atin ang advantage na makapag-ipon on our own because low down payment lang tayo, makapag-balloon payment tayo. Malay nyo, super konti na lang ng ilo-loan natin sa bangko or wala tayong ilo-loan at all. So we bought a property without paying any interest. Anong itsura ng 24.9 square meters? Let me tour you on my own unit here in Zadia. So ito, naka-corner lang ako. Parehas na parehas sila ng layout. Lumaki lang to ng 1.5 square meters at nagkaroon lang ako ng bintana on the side pero parehas na parehas po yung layout. Pakita muna namin sa inyo very quick kung ano yung deliverable unit. So tiled na siya, complete finish na siya. Kumbaga, lalagyan mo na lang ng furniture and fixture, livable na siya. Ito po kasi, napaayos ko na napa-interior ko. So, kaya ngayon, upgraded na to sa kitchen area. Pagkapasok natin ng main door, kasama po to sa deliverable unit, itong overhead cabinet, itong extension, ito po yung hindi kasama. Pero okay lang na hindi mo muna lagyan to. Pero kung gusto mo ipa-Airbnb at gusto mo ng higher price tag when it comes to rental fee, ayusin po natin, ipa-interior natin kahit papano. And ito, meron na rin siyang lavatory. And dito sa toilet and bath, ito yung isa sa may pinakamalaking toilet bath na nakita ko at sa lahat ng mga condo na ino-offer ko dahil may provision and space po dito for washing machine. So, meron na siyang shower head na kasama, tapos meron na rin siyang toilet and bath, toilet, and meron siyang basic na lavatory just like this. Wala pa po ako masyadong in-upgrade dito sa toilet and bath. Now, let's go dito sa pinaka-main part ng ating studio unit. Para po siyang hotel room, no? To save space, naggawa ko ng ganito para siyang mini bar or a dining table just like this. Space saving siya. Dito ako medyo nahirapan dahil nga naka-corner unit ako, merong extra window on the side pero na wall mount ko pa rin naman yung TV. Advantage is, I have a lot of natural lighting and it doesn't feel like I'm living in just a condo kasi very free-flowing lang yung hangin, marami pa rin ako nakikita sa labas. Ito, wala pa lang po akong office chair but this is my mini office table. Nilagyan ko na rin po ng mirror and I was able to put up a queen size bed and a cabinet just like this. And of course, meron po tayong mini balcony just like this and floor to ceiling na sliding door. I am facing Paseo de Santa Rosa. So, I'm very satisfied with this one kasi kumikita na din po ako. Ang monthly ko sa bangko is 19,000 and yung highest na nung nag-occupy no last month 30,000 pesos siya per month. So kumikita pa po ako bukod sa nagiging self-liquidating property na to dahil binabayaran niya na po ng sarili niya. So sabi nga nila, mag-ipon ka ng 5 to 10 rentals and then secured na yung future mo at future ng mga anak mo. But if you also want a corner unit katulad ng unit ko, meron lang siyang additional na about 100 to 200,000 pesos kasi mas lumaki lang po ng konting-konti yung unit area mo and nagkaroon ka ng extra window on the side na halos floor to ceiling height din. So may kanya-kanya siyang advantages, depende po sa inyo. Basta ang mahalaga, makakaposition ka dito for as low as $308. Nakaposisyon ka na sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa BGC before. So, kung gusto mo naman na makapag-invest na no, sa Tower 3 ready for occupancy, gusto mo nang paupahan or i-occupy agad, meron po. The price ng ating corner unit 15th floor unit 01 is around 4.9 million, pero dahil ready for occupancy na siya, we only have 3 months for the down payment term. So ang ating payment for the 3 months is about 157,000 to 159,000 pesos, and then after 3 months, ilo-loan mo na agad yung balanse. But you also have the option na makapag-cash payment term with a major discount of about 10 to 15%. So, yun ang advantage. Makakakuha ka na agad ng ready for occupancy, pwede mo na agad siyang ma-leverage, but shorter down payment term. So, meron tayong option, pre-selling, ready for occupancy. And meron din po tayong combined units dito. Malaki na po yun. Just like pinapakita namin sa inyo ngayon, yung isang unit naging living, dining, and kitchen area, nagkaroon ng hallway, yung isa naman nagkaroon ng master's bedroom with own walk-in closet at 2 balconies na. So, ang presyo po, times 2 mula, no, yung isang studio unit. So, it's about 11 million pesos at yung monthly natin for pre-selling, nag-range po siya for 45 to 65,000 pesos per month, depende sa location and gaano ka-premium yung unit mo. So, kung gusto mo ng mas malaki, meron din po tayong 1 bedroom na very pre-selling and low down payment. Ito po yung condo recommendation ko. If you want to be inside Nuvali, we have a newly launched project nasa mid-segment Avida. This is called Astor Lane Settings. So si Astor Lane, maliliit po yung mga lot cuts nila, so very budget friendly. Nasa 100 square meters, around like that, yung pinaka maliit na lot cut nila. And at the same time, meron silang down payment for as low as 14,000 pesos or less than $300. Kaka-launch pa lang po nito, kaya ito yung best time para makaposition kayo sa mid-segment ng Nuvali. So, very pre-selling, 36 to 48 months to pay. Ngayon po, siya yung may pinakamataas na elevation. Meron kayong napakagandang view, wala kayong problema sa flood dahil ang taas nga po ng land elevation niya, at meron din pong house and lot na binibenta dito na very affordable. So, if you want to be inside Nuvali, but to be honest, no, to be transparent, Calamba na po yung address niya. So medyo wala lang po kayo sa center ng commercial area. But if you want peace, tahimik, exclusivity, this is the best choice for you. Contact me for more information about this one. And kung gusto niyo naman inside Nuvali, nasa medyo high segment or nasa segment na kayo ng Ayala Land Premier or Alveo, Sereneo still the best lot option there. 36 to 42 months down payment, magta 10% spot. Ang ating lot dyan is nagre-range ng 15 million to 20 million pesos, pero makakakuha ka na ng napakagandang community, Ayala Land Premier amenities with the very first biggest pool complex inside Nuvali. So that is Sereneo. Ipa-plug po namin yung video namin ngayon. Ito po siya para mas makakaroon kayo ng idea. And meron din po tayong equivalent nito, Southmont, New West Estate Development ni Nuvali sa Silang Cavite. Higher elevation po dito. Ito naman po yung video natin dahil meron pa silang promo as of the moment. Dito tayo sa mga luxury segment dito sa area. Rockwell South, they still have reopened lots in their cluster 6B, and they still have house and lot package in their cluster 6A. For their lots, ang recommended property ko, which is about nasa 250 square meter yung lot area, around 19 million pesos yung total contract price, 36 months to pay, yung 20% ng total contract price, which is at about 170,000 pesos. Yung house and lot po natin, nakikita nyo on how good this is Rockwell. Rockwell is Rockwell, and you can never go wrong with this developer. The starting price of their house and lot package is around 42 million pesos. You just need to pay 10% spot sa total contract price at magkaroon tayo ng monthly down payment na about 270,000 pesos per month. So we have this videos. Ito po yung mga titles ng videos natin for the Rockwell lot and house and lot para mapanood nyo siya. Regardless, if you want sa introductory pricing, mid-segment, or luxury segment, you name it, we have it na po dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. So, I am encouraging you guys na humabol dito sa last 2 months. I am just a chat or call away. Maumpisahan natin, matulungan ko kayo para makita natin yung best fit property based on your needs, budget, and preferences. You may call me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63 927 185 1590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. Please like and subscribe our Facebook and YouTube channel, Instagram, that is The Property Geek. And of course, we are also available in TikTok, The Property Geek, and we are still contributing at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. So to my fellow kababayans abroad, alam ko po kung gaano natin pinaghihirapan po yung kinikita natin. Pambayad sa needs, pag-provide sa family, and right now, meron tayong chance para ma-secure yung future natin through real estate investment here in the Philippines. And this area, Metro Santa Rosa, is giving you that opportunity. So bago po ako mag-close, naalala ko lang po at gusto ko magpasalamat. Nagkaroon po ng pinning ceremony yung kapatid ko. So, open naman po ako na breadwinner po ako ng family. And ito na po yung fruit ng labor natin. Nakapag-pinning na po siya. She's right now in her 2nd year in college, taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Gusto ko lang po i-take yung opportunity na thank you po talaga. Hindi niyo po ako iniwan. Nasa 6th year na po tayo na ginagawa ito at kayo po yung dahilan. Your full trust and support po sa akin na even you without being physically here, pinagkakatiwalaan niyo po ako sa investment niyo. Bumibili po kayo kahit malayo kayo. So maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa support at ginagawa po kayo ni Lord na instrument or blessing para ma-bless ko rin po yung family ko. Thank you so much po. So yeah, this is the end of our video. I hope you find this video very important, very helpful. Not just me na makapag-give ng value at matulungan ko rin po kayo na mag-grow yung money nyo. So 2025 ngayon, Merry Christmas, advance Happy Holidays and Happy New Year, and let me help you po na magkaroon ng napaka-fruitful na regalo at maging blessing din yung property investment sa future at security nyo or ng family nyo. This is Jairema Maclay. I'm just thankful, blessed sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. Till our next video, this is The Property Geek.